what's up, guys? If you've been doing this and this, get ready to say goodbye to that stuff. Because today I'm reviewing the Malone Fold-away-5 large sports rack. So first thing I want to talk about with this thing is how to open and close it. So the directions are kind of indescript, so this is why I'm making the video, to show you how to assemble it and get it on top of your car and go have some fun with it. So to open and close it, you gotta pull this knob like that, and as you can see, it released. So you go like that, and you want to line up these teeth here, and then once the teeth are lined up, you just close it, and then that will lock your boat in nice and tight. So one thing I learned is if you spin this, that will make it tighter and looser. So if I make it really tight and then I line up the teeth and then try to close it, it's giving me a lot more resistance, see? So maybe you don't want to do it too tight. You want to make sure it's just the right tightness. So first thing it says to do in the directions is to apply the longer bolts through these 4 holes here. So that is these 4 holes, and they are going to come straight over here and go right into these holes for a visual for you guys, because like I said, I don't like the directions very much. So do that, and then get ready to get on top of your car, and you're also probably going to need one of those. So the next few things that you'll need are these 2 black pieces that are kind of bendy, and you'll need 4 of these T-knobs that are in the box. So after that, you want to grab that thing that I had in the first segment of our video, place it in the middle of the car, and we'll go from there. And then this is the most difficult part I've encountered so far. You want to take this bendy part, face it up so it's like cradling the roof rack on your car, and get it in there and hold that. And what I decided I would do is to kind of just hold it all together with one hand, and then get this piece. Make sure the little nub is sticking up, because you need that room so you can spin it. And remember, when the bolt is facing upside down, you don't turn it to the right, you turn it to the left. I learned that the hard way. So 1 second here, let's see if we can get it on. Alright, so we've got 1 bolt on there very loosely. And then what I recommend is just come over here and get that one on there loosely as well. So then come over here and do that one more time. Make sure you turn it to the left. It's very tempting to turn it to the right. Oh, okay, so I'm actually going to cheat. Another strategy you could do is push up on the bolt and then turn the bolt to the right. That might help some of you guys. So then you just want to squeeze it together, and then a flick to the, you want to make sure the bolt's turning to the left, so you can just flick it, and it'll literally spin up into place, and that's kind of cool, right? So 1 more second, and that's nice and tight, and that's nice and tight. Once we get it up on there, there we go. And now you just want to repeat that again. Oh, see, I almost made a mistake. Make sure you definitely put that black piece on first. Alright, so there we have it. It's all the way on there. And I just need to tighten up this front piece because I wanted to figure that out beforehand, but it feels very nice and sturdy. So yeah, now we just got to go on to the next steps. Moving right along into the next step, you're just going to need this, 4 bolts, 4 of the T-knobs, and 2 of those bendy bracket things again. So put those 4 bolts in there. Then we're going to weave our bracket into those bolts. Put it like that. Push down on our bolt and try to swivel that thing to the left with one hand. Oh, I'm terrible. I'm terrible. It's so hard. It's so hard. Alright guys, so since I am very terrible, I just decided to give you a little time lapse here. I'm just going through and tightening up these bolts. I'd also recommend you to do the same, that way your stuff just stays very secure. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have got the entire thing assembled on top of the SUV. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is surfboard configuration, so let's get right to that. As you can see, we have the surfboard on there. All you have to do is install this foam mounting block, put your surfboard on there, and then there are some straps that come with it. You strap it right down. That's all you gotta do. So that was my review of the Malone Fold-away-5 kayak rack. I hope I helped you out. If I did, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. You guys have a good day.